My name's Devan. This is our house. My wife and I bought this probably 2 years ago now as our forever home. Lived here now for the 2 years and trying everything we can to try and save on money and bills just to sustain the family and keep the battle going for a young family on a single income. When we moved in 2 years ago, the first thing we did was put in AC throughout the whole house. As soon as we did put the AC system in, our power bill soared, and it became too expensive. It was way too expensive for us to sustain that. So the first thing we looked at was contacting a local company to do solar. We came across Newy Co. Met with Alex, he was a top bloke, and sort of talked us through all the benefits of getting solar and all the different size systems that we could get this year. Since we bought the house, the solar was one thing, but yes, it still offset our bills and offset the main draw on our house with washing and having the dryer run and just having the AC on, I guess. But we had to move to that next step up to make sure that we get the most out of our system. So we reached out to Alex earlier in the year and wanted to talk to him about what our options are, and ended up installing a 48 kilowatt battery system, which since we've installed it, it's been probably 3-4 months now. We have had no power bill, so it's been a huge change. Yes, it's a bit of money up front, but it really benefits our family, and I guess being on that single income, I would definitely recommend Alex as well as his company, Newy Co, and I have done so. I guess the thing that drew me towards Alex was his focus on trying to keep business in Australia and just really delivering on quality products. No beating around the bush, gives you a straight answer. I guess Alex was always upfront and honest about everything, and when you ask him the hard-hitting questions, there's no shying away, I guess. It's the thing that families do need to look into is the battery system, because that ultimately has been the saving grace for us. It's one thing reducing power bills with the solar system, but having that added benefit of the battery and just sustaining you through periods where the sun's not out, I guess is really what people need to be focusing their attention on, and use the dryer on rainy days and use the dishwasher, having the flexibility to use the appliances that we otherwise wouldn't have used. Yeah, definitely, peace of mind.